Greetings humans, my name is Garrett, aka G Money. I'm a technical writer on the documentation team here at Cpanel, the hosting platform of choice. Today I'm going to show you the SSH Access interface. This interface allows you to manage SSH keys that allow you to connect to your web server via the command line. Before we get too far into it, not all hosting providers enable SSH Access by default. If the SSH Access icon doesn't appear, you won't be able to use the information in this video. Sorry. Contact your hosting provider for more information. To navigate to the SSH Access interface, first log into Cpanel. Enter SSH Access in the interface search bar. Click SSH Access, then click Manage SSH Keys to continue. Private and public SSH keys are files that help your web server and your computer verify the identity of one another to communicate securely. Think of your public key as your home address and your private key as your credit card number. It's okay to give out your home address to people you know so they can contact you, but you never want to give out your credit card number to anyone that you don't completely trust. To get started, click Generate a new key. Enter a new key name or just use the default. You can enter a password or click Password Generator. Copy the password to your super secret location, select the checkbox that says I have copied this password in a safe place, and click Use Password. Finally, configure or leave the key type and key size at their RSA and 2048 default. Then click Generate Key. Alright, you will receive a success message. Click Go Back and notice your new keys. You can copy these keys to your local machine or whichever program that you use to SSH to your server. Let's SSH into the server. Bleep bloop bloop bleep bloop. Oh, whoops! I forgot to authorize the keys first. Let's go back to the SSH Access interface. Be sure to click Manage and then click Authorize in the interface that appears. This will allow your computer to access the server. Good job. If your computer already uses a public SSH key, then you can copy that into the interface. Click Import Key. Enter a new key, or just chill and use the default. Paste the contents of the private and public keys into the appropriate text boxes. It's a good idea to use a super secret passphrase and protect your key. Now click Import. Alright. You will receive a success message, then you can click Back to Manage Keys to return to the SSH Access interface. That's all there is to it. Now you can run scripts, super chill commands, and other cool stuff on your server. For more information about SSH Access, PuTTY, or the terminal interface, check out the description below for links to the documentation. There's also a super chill video tutorial about the terminal interface. Click here to watch that video. For more information about Cpanel, your hosting platform of choice, visit our website at cpanel.com or follow us on Twitter at Cpanel. Good job.